My name is Pepe Khumalo. I'm from Prosound, Johannesburg. Prosound is a big history in Botswana. I think more than 20 years now. We did the National Stadium many years ago with EV's products. We did the airport with some EV products. The AFM Church in Botswana, we went for the first initial site visit in 2017 when we were launching the Electro-Voice X2 line array system at the Botswana National Stadium. The pastor came, attended the launch. The pastor was like, okay, after playing like 30 seconds of the track, he was like, this is it. It's got that nice sound that no other manufacturer can touch, especially for African markets. It carries the sound at the nice low end and the mid-range. It's amazing. Limited budgets and working with volunteers. Not everyone in the church is a qualified sound engineer. Therefore, we work a lot with volunteers, which means we have to make the system as easy to use as possible. Well, looking at the building and the characteristics of the EVA, it was a no-brainer. The pastor has quite a high roof and he wanted something to hang from high, and the array curvature of the EVA covered the space very nicely. We've got the EVA Electro-Voice system in there, permanently installed with the Electro-Voice ETX as center fills and Electro-Voice ZLX as monitor wedges. Dynacord amplifiers, yes. We've got more than enough power, that I must say. It's all in one in the amplifier. We do a nice DSP processing on the amps and ready to go. So it's simplified the whole install process quite a lot, making it an easier solution. When we did training and handover, the guys just got on and understood the system very well. They're very comfortable now and they're just operating. It's a very easy solution that we put together for them. It was quite an exciting project in Botswana, Gaborone, to see such a beautiful church come to life after such a long time. EV is always a force to be reckoned with in Botswana, definitely. So it was an easy decision for the pastor.